Hello everyone. So this assignment is Yorkville University Interior Design Program documentation DIDT 432 course, and assignment number 1, that is very simple. You have to create a cover sheet and a title block. In your professor's recording, you'll see two different type of cover sheets. It's up to you what format you would like to follow. I had this cover sheet and for my project, and I really got good marks for this, so I thought maybe I would share it with you guys. Now, um, let's start. So these basically I did not had a rendered image for my project, so I just took it from the Google map, fit it here. Again, the site map, site plan. So I recommend putting all these three in your assignment, and then OBC matrix. Keep it. I took this image from the lectures, so I think everybody has the lectures, so you can take it from there. So at least you know that this is the place you are going to put for the final submission. These are the sheet numbers. A little bit regarding like the legal address of my project, the symbols and the signs that I have used, um, and the wall assemblies and some of the abbreviations. Now, basically what I have done, I have started my project directly in Revit. I did not use CAD. It's easier to create title block and cover sheets in CAD. Because you have, if you don't know how to create a demolition plan in Revit, I recommend you doing your first part in CAD. I did it directly in Revit, so the sheet size, when I started creating sheets, it was the default size. That was the requirement of for the assignment, that we have to create 24 inches by 36 inches sheet size. So for Revit, it was default. For CAD, if you're working on CAD, you need to check the sheet size accordingly. So let's move on to the next slide here. So this is my next slide. Now basically this assignment require is that your title block here. I I did it here because the teacher showed some samples and it was like this. So it's better. The recommendation is that you follow the professor's footprints. So it will be easier for you to go further. Now, be careful with the logo. Professor also shared a new logo. The CAD file that she shared was with the old logo, so you have to change it. I simply snipped it from the website and put it here. It was easier for me to do it, and then you have to a little bit of like create a balance on this title block. This is the existing plan. Although there are few requirements, like you have to show the existing plan, demo plan, and the new floor plan. Nothing much required in assignment 1, but still at this formatting of your title block is really important. So you can take these points from any of the Google, just Google the title block for the construction architectural drawings. You'll get many images for the title block. Check which node suits your project, and you can pick some notes from any of the images and you can add it here. These are the general notes, like whoever is reading um, the project is not to scale, um, like these. So these are general notes, and as per this assignment, I think this will go on to all the title blocks. Now this is the revision space. Although the documents that the professor was showing, there were no revision space, but I put it, and that's pretty okay. This is the north arrow, the project name, um, the drawing that you're working on, your date, name, and this is sheet number, revision number, and date. So this was the actual requirement, and now I'll move on quickly to the next page. This is my demo plan. Again, the same thing. You have to be very careful when you're writing the sheet number. The scale is important here, north arrow is important here, and your name, date, professor's name, your project number, your existing, like this is a demolition plan, so you have to write like this, the name of the drawing, that this is demolition. I think these general notes are same, and this is interior design program you will follow. Just quickly have a look on the title block that she shared on CAD, and you'll get a quick idea what is required here. Next slide is my floor plan. So because she specified the scale here, like it has to be um, 1:100 ratio. I had a really deep conversation with her, and she said that no, 1:100 ratio of the scale is visible, and it's minimum requirement, so you have to do it. So when I changed it to this one, it turned like huge. So my building was huge, so I have to like show it in two parts. It's the main level one. And luckily I only have one level. It was a library, so I had to like show half of the part here with dimensions and half of the part on the other sheet. You have to have a careful sheet numbers done, and again the same title block, everything is same, just the next part of my floor plan. Now three focused areas. So in the first assignment we are not actually giving details, key plans for the focused areas. Like it's not, even the focus area was not required. They are just looking at the title blocks, sheet numbers properly done. So yeah, the sheet numbers and the title block is properly done here. Again, let's move on to the next one, focused area 2. And focus area